Our day of providing you with extensive learning and discovery opportunities in sustainable library practices with COMA, let's welcome the School Administrator of Croatia Foundation College, Attorney C. Charis Nun Dizon. But then, I believe she is busy, but then she will be represented by the Academic Director, Ma'am May V. Tubato Maed LB. A round of applause, please.
Isang magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. In behalf of our school administrator, Attorney C. Charis P. Non Dizon, MM Rem Rep, it is my distinct honor and pleasure to welcome you all to the Soc-Sargent Librarians Association Incorporated General Assembly and Seminar. As the Academic Director of Croatia Foundation College Incorporated, I am honored to be with such a distinguished group of librarians and information professionals today. This assembly is a wonderful opportunity for us to come together, share ideas, and explore innovative solutions for our libraries. Libraries have always been the heart of our communities, the repositories of knowledge, and the gateways to countless worlds through the pages of books and the click of a mouse. As we gather here today, let us celebrate our shared commitment to excellence in library service. This seminar is not just about learning new practices, but also about reconnecting with our passion for librarianship. Ang ating layunin ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pag-aayos ng mga libro sa mga estante, kundi pati na rin sa pagpapalaganap ng kaalaman at paghubog ng kinabukasan ng ating mga komunidad. With that, I encourage each of you to make the most of this gathering. Engage with your colleagues, participate in discussions, and share your experiences and insights. We have a wealth of knowledge and creativity in this room, and together, we can inspire one another to achieve even greater heights. Sa ating mga bisita, welcome to our vibrant community of librarians. I hope you find this seminar enriching and that you have lived with new ideas and renewed enthusiasm for your work. May this assembly be a source of inspiration and camaraderie. Together, let's build a future where our libraries continue to thrive and serve as beacons of knowledge and learning. Once again, welcome to the Socola General Assembly and Seminar. Enjoy the day and have a wonderful experience. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Tubato, on behalf of Attorney Dizon for opening this seminar with enthusiasm and for providing